Hi, this is Michael Street with Fidelity Home Inspection, and in this quick minute you're going to learn about how to diagnose if a foundation has major problems while you're visiting a house. So if you're concerned about the foundation on the house you're about to buy, then this quick minute is for you. Come along. Today I was called out on this foundation to look and see if these cracks here and the overall foundation is a problem. So there are symptoms of cracks, not very many, but they're here and some are concerned. So I've come out today with a few special tools and my eyes to determine if there's some problems, and I'll show you exactly how to look. First, we're going to start outside. This is called a corner pop, basically. It's where the parging and some of the concrete come off the corner of the house. Now, it's not necessarily significant, but it can cause the corner bricks to start to come off the wall a bit, and they'll need to be repaired. But this is not significant. I see this on quite a few homes, especially because the water here from the sprinklers like to spray it and then it dries out and it cracks off. Some other minor damages at the parging. It's just some cracking here. This is a cosmetic kind of makeup for the wall. It's 30% Portland cement, 70% sand, and it just basically cracks off and you have to repair it. Now, I don't see any specific cracks in the brick, and if you had a major problem, you'd see these cracks here. Well, if I say major problem, but it's a symptom of a major problem. But most houses that have the symptoms, the foundation plotting turns out just fine. So here's the corner pop, and then the bricks have been, the mortar's been repaired at the bricks because they were coming down. Here's another little crack, hairline crack in the wall, and it's a symptom of settlement, but it doesn't look significant. Other symptoms of repairs you'd be looking for are dug up dirt along the outside edge of the house. That means that they've probably dug underneath the wall and put in some piers, or sections of concrete removed at the driveways and maybe at the patio, 3x3 sections where they have pulled out the concrete, put a pier in, and then replaced it. So you're looking for that sort of thing. So the cracks around the walls are symptoms of foundation settlement, but not necessarily an indication that it needs a repair at this time. Another area to look for symptoms of foundation settlement are at the drain line. If you just open the cap and look down in there, you'll notice that it's pretty clean, pretty dry. If there's a significant foundation issue, a lot of times the drain line will be backed up and there'll be water sitting in the pipe. So you want to check that. Pretty easy to do. Just unscrew the cap and look in there. So how can I be so sure that it's not significant? Well, we have a special tool to determine if the foundation is flat or if it's settling and needs a repair. That's called the precision altimeter, and I'll show you that now. The tools we use to determine if the foundation is settling significantly. The first is we'll take the drone and fly it up to the roof and get a picture, and that way we can plot the levels of the foundation with the precision altimeter. This is the same instrument that a foundation engineer is going to use, except you can give them quite a bit of your money, but it's always good to have second opinion. But in this case, we're providing the plotting on the picture with the drone, and this is a photo of that picture, and you can see here that there's tenths of an inch difference, but nothing significant. So what is the significant standard for foundation settlement? It's 2.4 inches within 20 feet, and we see that we're well within that range here. That's it for this quick minute. I hope that you've learned something about foundation settlement and the symptoms that are significant or not significant, and how to determine if there are significant settling with the precision altimeter. That's all for now. Michael Street, Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to give you confidence. Bye for now.